Yo, what's going on, guys? Jess here, back again with another reaction. Today, I'm going to react to Verify's uh, songs. I'm basically going to react to a lot of Verify's, just three of them in total. Their sound, it's my first time hearing them. First time, discovering the scripts. Will be interesting to discover what their sound and, or, a style is. So let's see. I'm going to react to Thunder and Ring, 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 and finally Lay Back in that order. Yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. PG, parents, guidance suggested. Oh, this is. All right, just right off the bat, love that sound. Oh my god. All right, give me 1 second. Whoa, okay, great sound so far. That's not good to hype. That's not good to hype. I don't want to overcommit to the hype and then just all of a sudden, let's just keep it. I'm gonna pause it here. Just give it 1 second. Whoo, that is really good. Oh, okay. All right. So thoughts so far. Enjoy the sound. It's almost like a, if you combine a horror or OST, right? You combine horror or OST, right? And you just put them together, you get some really amazing, right? Yeah. So if you just put a horror OST together with like a MV with an OST of like a really epic sound, put them together, you get this sound. It's awesome. I love it so far. Totally just realized there's a story going on here, so I gotta focus now. Oh my god. Alright, let's focus. Yeah. That can't be it, is it? That's it. Alright, I think there might be a plot to this, but what I think so far, here's what I think's happening, right? Just from based off the story, I'm gonna make my own little side story based off of this. What I think, backstory. So, in the beginning, Thunder God existed, right? Thunder had tons of children, which was lightning. Lightning all went down to the earth, right? All of them are gone now. Now Thunder has nobody, right? So Thunder is like, what am I gonna do, right? So he sends his own hands down and grabs children, brings them to the sky. But each time he brings one to the sky, this kid's gone now. That's what I think. What do you guys think? All right, so I really enjoyed that song a lot. A lot of interesting stories. I don't know if this is like a continuation story or this is like one-off series, but we'll find out on the next one. Let's continue. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. This one is Verify. The song was playing. Oh my God. This is Ring a Ling a Ling. No, just Ring Ring Ring. Baby. All right, here we go. 3, 2. Oh my God. All right, here we go. 3. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. All right, right off the bat, this is a completely different sound. I'm not exactly sure what their sound is now, so let's see if maybe I can find it. All right, so if I were to describe this sound in the best way possible, it's like 90s boy band, and you combine that with modern day boy band, and then you take that all back and just toss it back to the 80s. This sound is the best thing I can describe, right? It's like, it's a bit of all it's like modern day, but a bit in the 90s, also a bit of the 80s just put together. It's a very interesting sound. Very interesting. Ooh. Alright, so that was Verify's Ring Ring Ring. I really enjoyed that as well. Has a very interesting sound. It's, like I said earlier, 90s, modern day. Throw them back to the 80s and you get this sound. That's what I think. How do I describe this? Yeah, I really enjoyed it a lot. I really enjoyed it. Definitely had like, I don't know, they had like several instances of like 80s and other instances of like mid 90s, you know, and then 90s and 2000s and modern days. It's kind of like just going through a time wave, you know what I mean? But yeah, I really enjoyed all the sounds. I really enjoyed the chorus a lot. I really enjoyed that really open sound that they had, almost like choir-esque in a way. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy this much? Does not tell me why. Let's keep going. Next song is Lay Back. This one has an ad, unfortunately. Let's see. Touchdown. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
까마득한 어둠 속에 감춰 녹을까 기묘하게 들뜨는 기분 차가운 밤새 감각은 선명해 새벽이 올 때까지 이어가는 게임 Let's go Step in, step in, step in, step here 밑에 진짜는 깊이 감춰놔 뒤돌면 웃고 있어 나 Don't stop it, stop it, stop it, stop 짜릿해 깊이 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 빠져들어가 Show me your face Lay back, lay back Ready Show me your face Lay back, lay back 좀 더 짙게 빠져들어 지금 난 now Show me your face Lay back, lay back 가까워져 가 내게 좀더 솔직해져 너와 날 원할게 너도 속에 터지듯 피어난 your broken heart You're right 나를 끊이봐 너의 화려한 날 내리고 내 향한 모든 날 채우고 난 너를 데려가 눈이 멀어가도 좋아 너의 light 눈을 감아도 red ocean 깊이 along in an emotion everybody know that shit
Okay. Okay, so I think they definitely have tried several sounds so far. Like I think my favorite sound so far is definitely the first one. I think that's either the most recent sound or maybe like very almost to close to recent sound. I think that first song I think is definitely my favorite in terms of the sound that their style that it shows, I guess. But this sounds a bit different than that one. It's a little bit more like R&B, I guess. R&B is kind of like funky inside there, you know, kind of like, you know, it kind of gets you moving, but it's not in the same way as that first one. I really like the first one.
swagger, swagger. Oh, 겁내지 말고 take off. Low, 보여줘 봐 right now. Hit that true or lie. 따가운 멀던 그림자 이면 내 너를 원해 나. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. 내 맘도 깊이 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 스며들어가 이미. Show me your face. Lay back, lay back. Ready? Show me your face. Lay back, lay back. 때려와. 좀 더 짙게 빠져들어. 지금 난 now. Show me your face. Lay back, lay back. 가까워져 가 내게 나. 좀 더 솔직해져 너와 날 원할게. 너도 속에 터지듯 피어난 your broken heart. You're right. 나를 끊이봐.
Ooh, I like that.
너를 바라볼게 for you 한없이 네 곁에 stay 지극히 아름다운 이 순간이 멈추지 마 we taking the love 빨간 빛에 사로잡힌 그림자 오 자유로운 어둠에 피어난 your broken heart You're right 나를 그리봐 No way 조막이 내리고 내 향한 모든 날 주고 난 너를 데려가 눈이 멀어가도 좋아 너의 light 널 향해서 지금 뭐해 눈이 멀어가도 좋아 너의 light
Yeah, I like this one too. Then all three songs are great. You can definitely tell they're like a fairly young group, just from the several sounds they've tried. You know, not really know exactly what this group's sound is yet. I can definitely see that. But I think my favorite sound is definitely the first song. I think it's called Thunder. I really enjoyed that a lot. I really enjoyed the concept and everything like that, which I really enjoyed as well. The 80s one, which I think is called Ring Ring Ring, I enjoyed that as well. I love the chorus, that opening sound. This one, I really love that funky bass line, da-da-da-da-da, a lot. I also enjoyed the camera work in this one too, especially with the mirror effect that they had there. That was really awesome too. I really enjoyed that as well. Yeah, all three songs are great. I really enjoyed all of them. If I had to rank them in the same order they came, I just watched them first one, second one, third one. Those three were my favorite. Verify, which should be Thunder, Ring Ring Ring, and then Layback. That's in the order of how I like them. I really enjoyed all of them in their own ways. Each of them had their own sound. What do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy their music? If not, tell me why. If so, tell me so. What song was your favorite? Let me know. And what style do you like the most? Do you like this style, or do you like the '80s style, or do you like that the first song? I don't know exactly what you would call it. But yeah, let me know. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, below. Jester out.